Hey Derek, this is Melissa Pierce. I spoke with you earlier for a couple minutes on the phone. I am a local SEO person and I also do website design, and I wanted to show you 3 things today that can help you bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself why I'm doing this and what's in it for me. Well, oftentimes local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So I found by giving people a free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business helps them. So by the end of this video, if you like what you heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, to help you with your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or at the end of this video, you simply want to take the free plan that I gave you and do it yourself. That works for me too. So I'm going to go over 3 things with you that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or my time. So the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. And I did pull up your website here. So I noticed that you have about 600 words on your website. Typically, Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front page of your website to get you optimized. And so keywords is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Google likes information. And in that content, you can strategically place words to tell Google exactly what terms you want on your website to be put in front of people when people search for it. So, carpet cleaner in Round Rock, Texas, you want to tell Google that so that it can tell users. So, that's basically what keyword is. I also wanted to go over backlinks, and I did pull up your competitors here, which I'm going to show you is K&M Steam Cleaning. They had about 1,500 words on their front page. They were established in 1996. I pulled them up in a tool that I use called SEO Quick, and pull up the page info here. And it looks like that they're getting over 1,000 searches a month. And like I said, they're pretty established since 1996, so that's why they're so relevant on Google. But we can definitely get you ranked above them. And then I pulled them up on a tool called Ahrefs also, and it looks like they have a lot of links going back to them and also a lot of keywords. And I can definitely use some of their links to get you ranked up also, and we can take a look at their keywords and see what they're getting searched for. So they're getting searched for carpet cleaning Austin. They're getting a search volume of 700 clicks per month. For that keyword, steam cleaning, they're getting a search volume of 1,800, and it just goes on. And so what I would do is I would put these words on your website also to get you the search volume that they're getting. And one other thing that I want to go over with you really quick is citations. And basically a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. So there are places in directories like Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's thousands of directories you can list your business in. And these are what help you rank in the map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. So once Google sees you more than these competitors showing up in the map pack, the more likely it is to rank you above them. And so I can definitely talk to you more about this if you would like to have a conversation. So what I went over today is content, backlinks, and citations. And once these are all coming together, you can begin to outgrow your competitors over time. And if you like what you heard, My number is 541-727-2739. Definitely, I'd like to have a quick chat with you and find out how much revenue you're trying to build. So give me a call back and we'll talk from there. Thank you. Have a great day.